Hi there, Natasha here, realtor in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. I bring you fresh content about what it's like to live here, so please click subscribe. I would love your follow. I am in awesome Wagner Terrace today. This is a great neighborhood in downtown Charleston. It is beautiful outside. Stick with me. I'm going to tell you more about what it's like to live here in Wagner Terrace. Okay, let's start with green space near Wagner Terrace. This is called Hampton Park. It is a beautiful protected park right next to the neighborhood, tucked under the oak trees, and everybody loves to get outside, so this is a perfect place to do it if you want to bike or go for a walk. If gardening's more your thing, there's also a small park and playground located in the Wagner Terrace neighborhood. This neighborhood is so close to amazing food. You know I love Home Team Barbecue, and another great option is called Harold's Cabin. There are so many great restaurants in close proximity to Wagner Terrace that you are going to love the bikeability and walkability to your favorite drink and eating spots. Rutledge Cab Company is amazing, and so is Container Bar if you're into local and local beers. Another awesome barbecue spot is Lewis Barbecue. I definitely recommend trying it. Wagner Terrace is located near the Citadel, and it's just in a great location for major employers and other points of interest. You can even pop over the bridge to Mount Pleasant very easily. It's a craftsman and bungalow style home neighborhood, and the homes were built starting in the 1940s, so it's not as historic as what you would get further south, which is pretty good if you're not trying to have crazy maintenance on your home. It's a really great neighborhood. It's approachable on price point, anywhere from the 400s up over $1 million, but there is a little bit of something for everyone. If you have more questions about Wagner Terrace or what it's like to live in Charleston, please send me a message. I would love to make a connection with you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.